Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. Today is STL, I believe 6, I would say. Yeah, I believe it's 6. If not, I'll fix it later on. Well, anyhow, hope you guys have a great week. Happy President's Day. That was, well, it's Sunday while I'm making this, and tomorrow will be President's Day, and this video will be up Tuesday. Anyhow, if you enjoyed the video, subscribe, like, and share, and check out Patreon, Discord, and Etsy. So this is basically showing you what's available for February STL file prints that you guys are interested in 3D printing and so forth. We'll look at it and see what they are. If you have any comments you want to talk about, just let me know down below. I believe we're in Arcane Minis right now. So I already got this. It's basically a very good STL Patreon to get a lot like one or two flying. Like you get the flying Lithit's ship for this as well. I am trying to make a Spelljammer type game, and a lot of the monster they have for the Lithits, they have some mind flayers and some creature from like Doom from the game as well, and from World of Warcraft. So you have different types of Lithits, of mind flayers, and so forth. So Spelljammer is like fantasy and sci-fi collide together. That's what I'm trying to do. Right now, my printer is being overworked, and being getting a lot of stuff sold on Etsy. But hopefully, I'll get another printer and make a dedicated printer for myself for it. But I think this is very interesting. A planet or a ship that you enter in, and you have these mind flared experiments, and they do a lot of experiments with this grotesque looking thing with the brain and everything else as well, and they do eat brains for it. But I think it is very interesting to see, or a type of game that you want to make as well. I'll be doing, in the future more like Warhammer stuff as well. Right now, I'm in knees deep making my Blood Angel army, and I'm making another faction, and I'm probably gonna make a Chaos faction for myself, but I won't buy any of the Games Workshops for the 3D print a lot of them. But these are pretty good. It'd be techno beholders and stuff like that as well. So I think it's pretty interesting. But yeah. Okay, Penske Star Entrance. Another tabletop wargaming for it. Um, I have not watched the newest Terminators. I know this is one of the newest Terminators that they came out with. Now you play him as a playable amplifier. A dude with a giant machine gun. Uh, start this Star Entrance. Does that make Stargate? Holy shit! They did Stargate for the. I think this is a cyberpunk one, or is this the regular one? Human military police. It's welcome. This is cyberpunk one. This is Rebecca right there. Uh, I'm surprised they don't really show much of the cyberpunk pictures for it. It's a bonus model. Here we go. Yeah. They got different heads. You got Raw. Was it? Forgot his name. I think it was Raw in the movie for this one, but um, that wasn't in the Stargate. Industrial P1. Droid Gate Destroyer. Yeah, that never was on Stargate. That was on Stargate. That wasn't on Stargate. I'm getting this. This from the movie. Is General Neo from the movie. Colonial Ego. Trucks. Forgot. Colonel Jackson. Jack Daniels. Was it Jack Daniels? I don't know. Raw, yeah. Well, man, there's the movie brings back. TV show is really good too. It sucks they discontinued it. There's a fighter jet from the actual TV show, so this is pretty cool. I was surprised to see Stargate for this, but I am very intrigued for it. Warrior B. It'll be funny if they have Tilk. Yeah, I want the voice actor of what you call it of Kratos in this thing. But that's very interesting. There's not much stuff on it, but hopefully the next one will be. SwanNet 3D. These are like terrain pieces for it. Uh, you can see some of the previews. Usually he won't have a lot of stuff out till the end of the month, and it's like really like gunning it too on these. Saffron. That is Celt Creative Greek MB is a hit and miss for me for this one. February reward. We got a female version of Eldrick. Uh, you got Alucard from Castlevania, and I do not know what the hell this thing is. I might get this one for a female version of Edward. But it gives you three. You buy the one for this month, and you won't get it till like end of next month. That's how he does it. So for that, so CA 3D seals. Let me see if anything to be art. Choose a to be art. No, no, thank you. I want to see if there's any pictures out for the fairy. I think it's Kitty from the X Men, Catwoman on a gargoyle, but I want something that I want to have Jonas art. It's like stuff that it's cool, but also it's like it's not one of my fortes. So Mo G. Let's see what's this month is going to be for this one. A lot of like yes, guys, we reached 70 Patreon and it's promised I'm going to cut it to launch our little succubus. I think it's the one that we saw last month is the Mercy. So yeah, the bird right there. So if you want a very sexy looking Mercy, you have the demon version as well. There you go. Forge Hammer. I might get this because I do need stuff for Warhammer. And we have dreadnoughts. We call it heavy robot, but it's actually a dreadnought. Even though, and there's your chaos warrior. But I wish they showed me a lot more than what they have. But yeah, well, I'm starting. I'm start. I just bought. I actually bid a lot of stuff for my uh from eBay for my Blood Angel. So I really want to see what more did they have. June model pack is your welcome one. Some chaos. Some of them look good. Some of them are like I don't want. I don't know. I have to see. So you got Fred's quiz. This one is Black Widow. Well, that's nuded Black Widow. There's regular Black Widow and regular looking one. So you have Black Widow and you have Storm. I think will be this month for that. I'm not going to scroll all the way down. I'm going back as much as I can and try to see what we can do for I can. I think that one's for next month. I think this is from Gen 13. Yep. No, that's Danger Girl. One. So we have Hanabi for this for February 3rd. So that was this month. I believe these two, Gen 30 and this one will be for this month. So I don't know for sure. A lot of these are very weird how they do things and how you download stuff. So I've been trying to figure a lot of stuff. But if I get more answers out of it, I'll let you know. This will probably be the last one for the video. Dragons Lake Miniatures. So your chicken that's probably for next month. March pack, February pack. There we go. I really don't get it. It's Minotaurs and grotesque stuff. I have a lot of Minotaurs and a Jabberwock with a Minotaur's head. If you want militaries, you want to have do military things for your things, this is probably one you want to get. That's pretty much all I have for you guys. Well, anyhow, hope you guys like the video. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Etsy, and hope you have a great Tuesday. And I'll talk to you guys later. See you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.